Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your laptop. First, grab a compatible USB cable and plug one end into your phone and the other into your laptop. Once connected, a notification will appear on your phone. Tap it and select the File Transfer or MTP option. Your phone's storage will then be accessible through your laptop's File Explorer, allowing you to easily move files back and forth. This is often the fastest and most reliable method for large data transfers. For a wireless approach, Bluetooth is a great option, especially for smaller files. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on both your phone and your laptop. On your laptop, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. Select your phone from the list to initiate the pairing process. You might need to confirm a code on both screens. Once paired, you can share photos, documents, or even use your phone as a personal hotspot. Another powerful wireless method involves using Wi-Fi and dedicated applications. Tools like Microsoft's Phone Link or AirDroid allow for extensive integration. Ensure both your phone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Install the respective app on both devices and follow the on-screen instructions to link them. This enables features such as seamless file sharing, synchronized notifications, and even mirroring your phone's screen directly onto your laptop. If you encounter connection issues, don't worry, there are simple solutions. First, check your USB cable for any damage and ensure your laptop's drivers are current. Sometimes, a quick restart of both your phone and laptop can resolve minor glitches. Always keep your operating systems and connection applications updated. This ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and optimal performance for a smooth and reliable connection experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.